In a very emotional conversation with Jill Mogamian, she says her daughter Sarah was a very strong, caring, and compassionate young woman. Sarah, along with 3 others, died in a backcountry avalanche in Mill Creek Canyon on Saturday. Jill says Sarah moved back to Salt Lake City specifically to be with her 2 loves.
I'm okay right now. Of course, it was terrible news, but life goes on.
It sounds cliche, but Jill Mogamian says her daughter Sarah lived life to the fullest.
She's a very competent skier, so this was just being in the wrong place at the wrong time.
The time was 11:40 Saturday morning when the call came in. 4 skiers buried in Mill Creek Canyon while 4 others unburied themselves and got help. This helmet cam video shows some of the recovery effort.
I'd just like to take this opportunity to tell everyone a little bit about our daughter, Sarah.
Sarah Mogamian, one of 5 siblings, dead at 29 years old.
I talked to her last week. She's one of my best friends.
A mom and daughter best friend duo. Jill says Sarah moved back to Salt Lake City for 2 reasons.
There she found her 2 loves.
Sarah found her love for outdoor activities, and she found her soulmate, her longtime boyfriend.
He was actually the one that dug her out after he dug out 2 other people. And when he got to her, she wasn't breathing, and he tried to resuscitate her unsuccessfully. And he stayed with her until...
Sarah was no stranger to skiing, rock climbing, and mountaineering. She tried to spend every weekend with a new adventure. She was athletic, active, and always wanted to keep up with her brother's rambunctious lifestyle. Jill says she will honor her daughter every day for the rest of her life. The 3 others dead in Saturday's avalanche, all in their 20s. Lewis Hollian, age 26 of Salt Lake City, Stephanie Hopkins, age 26 of Salt Lake City, and also Thomas Steinbrecher, 23 years old from Salt Lake City. As we learn more about the victims and from the survivors, we of course will let you know about that on air at ABC4 and online at abc4.com. Reporting in Mill Creek Canyon, I'm Jordan Burrows, ABC4 News.